Welcome to the new lecture. 3 simple rules. Enough talking. Let's get to work. In this lecture, we will learn 3 simple rules. Rule number 1. CH is pronounced like sh in the English word she. Here are some examples. Sha means cat, shows means thing, machine means machine. Let's practice. Read the examples. Sha, shows, machine. Next, move to rule number 2. This one is easy too. Whenever you see I, pronounce it like E in the English word me. Ami means friend. Il means he. Veet means fast. Let's practice. Read the examples. Ami, il, veet. Next, move to rule number 3. Now something different. Whenever you see QU, pronounce it like ka in the English word cat. Kel means which. Bank means bank. Ki means who. Let's practice. Read the examples. Kel, bank, key. Now let's recap. Okay, so now you know the first 3 spelling rules. Let's recap. Sh, pronounced like sh in she. E, pronounced like E in me. K, pronounced like K in cat.